Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. No celebration is complete without a sweet treat to top it off. And it's perfect when it's entirely no bake. Absolutely no oven time is required and also perfect for when you need a quick dessert that you can throw together in very little time. It starts off with graham cracker crust topped with cream cheese mousse and then layer of banana, pineapple, strawberries and finally whipped cream, nuts, chocolate and cherries on top. It's no bake banana split cake dessert. I made it for a friend's baby shower. Let's see what we need for this recipe. So these are all the ingredients which we need and I'll go layer by layer. The first layer gonna be our graham cracker crust. For that we need butter and some graham crackers. And for cream cheese mousse I'll be putting 2 layers. So for that I will be using some cream cheese and then I have some Cool Whip, some sugar, and then I'll top the mousse off with some pudding mixture. And for that I have this vanilla flavor jello pudding mixture and some milk. If that's not available, you can use regular custard powder and follow the package instructions. And then for the toppings, I'll be using some bananas, strawberries, pineapple. I top it off with some Cool Whip and some chopped walnuts. I'll drizzle some chocolate syrup and then some cherries. So these are all the ingredients. Let's go and start with our first layer. So first take graham crackers and then we need to crush them very finely. Then add a melted butter in your graham cracker crumbs. Now start mixing and stir until all the crumbs are evenly moistened. All the crumbs are covered with the butter. Then dump the crumbs into your 9 by 13 inch serving dish. And then press into an even layer. You can use back of the spoon or you can use your hand to press it evenly, or even you can use any cup or a glass which have a smooth base, and then you can press into an even layer and then put it in the fridge while you prepare your next layer. Now for second layer, I took my stand mixture mixing bowl. I add the cream cheese, sugar, and then on the medium speed, I mix until it's light and fluffy. It took me like around 3 minutes. Now using a spatula, fold in the Cool Whip until it's thoroughly combined. If Cool Whip is not available where you're living, you can use a regular heavy whipping cream. Just whip it and fold it with the cream cheese mixture. Then spread this cream cheese mixture on top of the graham cracker crust with the help of offset spatula. Just spread it evenly so you can have another layer. Now for the next layer, I just took a cold milk and then throw in my instant jello pudding, both of the packets, and then mix until you have a thick jello in 2 to 3 minutes. And if that's not available, as I already mentioned, you can just make a regular custard, bring it to a room temperature, and then we can go on to our next step. And our next step is to pour our prepared pudding mixture on top of cream cheese layer. This is an additional layer. You can totally skip this step and your dessert will still taste yummy. And then just spread evenly and refrigerate until you prepare for your next layer. For next step, cut all your fruits, slice your strawberries, cut your bananas into little pennies, and then drain the water which comes out from the pineapple can, and just keep all the fruits on the side. Take out your dessert and first start arranging your banana slices on top of your pudding layer mixture. So after the layer of bananas, just start spreading little chunks of pineapples on top of your banana layer. After your pineapples, here goes your strawberries. So just spread your strawberry slices on top of your bananas, pineapples into even layer. Now take another box of your Cool Whip and spread your
Cool Whip on top of your dessert. Again, if Cool Whip is not available where you are living, you can use regular whipping cream. Just take your cream, whip it, add some sugar, and then spread on top of your dessert. Now, as I already mentioned, I was making it for a baby shower, so I want to write something on top of it. So I smooth the top of my Cool Whip. Then I drizzle the chocolate sauce. Since I want to write something in the middle, I just drizzle it on the side. And then I sprinkle some chopped walnuts all around, just on top of the chocolate sauce. So if you're just serving as a dessert, so you can just drizzle the chocolate sauce all around it and sprinkle your walnuts. But I was just writing it's a girl. It was for a mother-to-be who gonna have a baby girl. So just decorate it with my pink icing. I just used the Cool Whip, dyed it pink, and then there you go. For further decoration, I just took the same icing, which is dyed in pink, and then just did some flowers around it and topped them with some cherries. And just sprinkle some pink sugar on top of it. So my dessert is all assembled. Just refrigerate it for around 4 to 6 hours. Overnight is perfect. And if you're not writing on top of it, you can do something like this, which I did like 2-3 months ago for a party. There is no better excuse if you need an excuse to eat delicious dessert than at a baby shower. This treat is perfect for a mama-to-be or for the guest. And don't wait for a special reason to make this dessert. And certainly don't wait years in between. Any ordinary day is special enough for this incredibly easy, no-bake banana split dessert. And if you try this recipe, please let me know how it turned out with you. Tag me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching.